Hi guys, it is 9:21 now. Check. Today I have a day packed. There's a tree with my room. It is at the top, but it's at the bottom. So it's like we're at the top of the hill. That's too much for information. I'm not homeless. As I was saying, there's a little secret in my room. And the secret is if I don't get up and pull this curtain, I can sleep the entire day. So I'm gonna sleep in my uniform. Like I came home last night, I had an exam last night. Came home, I was on my phone, fall asleep. I'm gonna get up. When I come here, I'd be at 9 o'clock when I get up and I don't know why. That's not Patrice. That is really not Patrice. I should be getting up at I should be getting up at 6. But when I get up at 9. But chat, I want to stop saying chat because I feel like I sound very illiterate. Alright, to do list for the day. We're going to carry the form from the first from that video. I should have submitted that form. It is not submitted as yet because I was trying to work on my test today. Chat. Chat. I don't know what this is. It needs to disappear. Woman, England women need to stop the England women now. Cause what? Mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna? But can't stand to see me walk out the door. Don't try to fight the feeling. Hi guys, I had to do like a little emergency landing because I was on the verge of passing out. The man in Papine who saw that I was about to pass the hell out and get up and give me one seat for slump and I said put on my things and take off my hat so I can actually get here upon me. Big up you, sir. Anyway, then life, my hope God continue to bless him the right way. We're finally home, chat. Finally home. I'm going to give you guys all of everything that I bought today. So we have 2 bags. I got food. This is from my boyfriend. I bought these personal nails. I want to be girly so bad, but everything that feels uncomfortable to me, I'm trying to really like it. We got melon. We have 2 tissues and 1 napkin. We have some little grapes right here. We have banana. I actually bought 6 bananas, but she gave me 7 and I had 1 earlier. Well, I was scared and tangled because even though I'm gonna like cook, when I cook, I want it to taste good. I want to have the best thing possible. I'm supposed to get gas by tomorrow and Sunday, so I'm gonna cook by tomorrow and Sunday. We got peanut butter. I want something is leaking on it. I bought plum earlier and the bag was burst and I didn't realize. These are the plums that I bought. They're already peeled. We have onion. We have tomatoes. We have 3 apples. 3 of these biscuits. That's it for this bag. Porridge. 3 of them. Milk. Butter. 3 tin mackerel. 3 macaroni right here. 3 ramen. 3 sausage. 3 alcohol. There's this new Chinese wholesale supermarket actually downtown. But I do love like most of them something I don't even buy them. The only issue is that they don't have like a card system. You have to have cash. Like you're going to 5 minutes and this can work. It can work, mind you, but at the same time there's this one centralized ATM downtown, right? And the line for that on a normal day long. To get a ATM you have to walk out. We don't even the commercial part, which is crazy to me. But that's what I had to do today. I had to walk down there. 3 monster milk, 3 ginger biscuits. I love these so much. I don't know why, but me and them biscuits there. These I love these. I love the oatmeal one. There's this green bag oatmeal biscuit. I was going to buy it today, but I didn't. So I'm just buy Treasure instead. And then the last thing is this. My buy it out for try it. A baby food. I don't know what to buy it. Y'all gonna laugh at my fridge. I'm just baby, don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna? But can't stand to see me walk out the door. Don't try to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now. We're going to have dinner before I clean because I'm very much hungry and I need to eat. So yeah. Oh my god. My phone is about to die. I'm just going to eat my dinner and put it on the charger in the meantime. I want my done. Still gonna clean. We still my shit my taste. I didn't feel good with my taste before me eat. But we still gonna clean, we still wash my hair and we still get things done for to do this. because you know why? I'm gonna live by myself. We are now in the bedroom. As you guys can see, I gave you guys a preview. I don't know. I can guarantee you, like I won't swear, but right on my tablet, this it hasn't been like this for like a week straight. This is like a 1 day doing, and if you don't believe me, I'm gonna open it.
Starships were meant to fly, come down and touch the sky. Can't stop, cause we're so high. Let's do this one more time. Starships were meant to fly, come down and touch the sky.
Y'all saw me struggle with the bed. I bought a wrong size sheet. I decided to say, I now buy another sheet they're going to fit my way or the highway, and they fit. So, so yeah, I'm finishing my room. It's now 9:56. I'm going to start the bathroom. I don't think I'm going to wash my hair until tomorrow, because if I should wash my hair now, I'm going to leave with my dress in there. By the time somebody notices it, I'm dead. So I'm going to wash my hair until tomorrow. Chat.